Morning everybody, I'm Chris at Wolfe Ridge Manufacturing. And today is April 19th and it's beautiful weather out today. It's going to be a high of like 50 degrees. Definitely ready for spring here. We got a lot of projects to do outside, and this wet, nasty, cold weather is really kind of slowing things down. But today is a good day. This big load of machines headed down to North Carolina today, going down to Faith Farm and Equipment. And I'll have a link up above here for their contact information. There's going to be a number of machines available for immediate delivery later this week down in North Carolina there in Salisbury. It's basically north central North Carolina, and they've been a great dealer for us. I'll show some footage I took earlier when I walked around their store. I'll kind of show you what's all inside there, and so you know what to expect when you get there. Well, that'll about do it for today. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Like I say, we got the link up above here for Faith Farm and Equipment's contact information. They do have a few of these machines are available. We'll be in North Carolina late this week. So right around April 23rd, 2022, you might be able to go score a brand new Wolfe Ridge wood splitter down at Faith Farm and Equipment in North Carolina. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. We are going to be doing a giveaway here for our 10K subscribers here really soon. And I'm thinking I want to do probably one of the most sought after chainsaws on the market right now. And you guys can drop a comment. What do you think it's going to be? Let me know. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.